It's time for another Defending Your MySpace Photos with my guest this week, Denise from Denise Vlogs.
Yeah.
You know the point of this show is that we go into your old MySpace page.
And talk about how great my photos are and
Do you remember
why
Tom?
does it still exist? I remember Tom.
Why do you have blood on your door behind us, by the way?
I have blood at my door?
Mm-hmm. Okay, this is evidence. It's you and your tree, but you're looking down at...
I don't know. I don't hate this photo.
I think we need to hear about this picture.
That's the same day.
Were you just falling in love with nature?
Sure. No, I was just trying to look cool.
There's like an emo
like
expression
this.
here.
Yeah. Well, I'm deep. It's my Bill Cosby sweater.
Which has a whole new meaning now in 2015.
I know, right? This is another shoot on a different day with a different person.
It kind of looks like you just stopped your meditation. You're like, I think I'll go get a smoothie now.
Cool. Then what we were trying to convey has come across. That's cool. That is a cool shot.
This looks like you're the lead singer of a 90s band that's not quite soft rock, not quite alternative.
Really?
Yeah.
I would think R&B.
So that's you and Shane Dawson, right?
That was actually the first time I met Shane. I am having a great time, and he is being moderately okay standing next to me. I'm a cool person. I go to cool things.
Since there's no caption, if you were to give this picture a caption, what would you say?
I am a director.
In that voice?
Yeah.
If I was getting directed and that voice was the voice, I would quit that project the first day.
What?
But you're like really into horror movies, right?
Yeah.
What's your favorite horror movie?
The Shining, duh.
Ah.
The Conjuring. For you, did you see that?
Yeah.
Did you?
No.
I knew it. That was like a really bad lie. Wait, why are we talking about scary movies? Because I don't have enough photos that are ridiculous. Let's show a montage of my fabulous photos.
We'll do that. Keep doing that.
Oh,
So,
I have to look at you now. So, like, did you think you were looking cool or hilarious?
the caption says, cheesing it at a New York club.
Okay, so you were attempting humor.
I attempt humor a lot, though. I don't know if I succeed all the time.
You attempt humor?
Check
I've
it out.
laughed like several times.
No, but you laughed at you making fun of me.
Yeah.
Where can we find you?
On YouTube.
At?
YouTube.com/Denise Vlogs. That's it.
That's it.
Yeah. Right here. He's putting it right here.
Yep. Maybe here. It could be here.
Or everywhere.
It could be just
It could
covering
be everywhere.
all of everything here. I've learned some things about myself.
I've learned nothing.